Let's see how to create animated videos with AI for free. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. All right, the first step is to go to the link in the description and copy the prompt provided. Now paste it into ChatGPT, but make sure to customize it to your personal preferences. Then, ChatGPT will give you a list of scenes, including the voiceover narration and a prompt to generate the image. Next, go to Leonardo AI and click here. Disable this setting, then adjust the dimensions depending on the platform you're creating content for. Click on Generate. Now, choose the image that looks the best. Next, head over to Hilo AI and click Create Video. Upload the image. Click here. And done. Now, to remove the watermark, do the following. Open any video editor. Simply scale up the image until the watermark is no longer visible. That's it. Just repeat the process for all the scenes.